Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, here we are once again. It's midweek and I wanted something really quick and really easy. So I thought, something along a comfort food. And I thought chicken, yeah. What about a chicken biscuit skillet? Searched in the fridge, found some ingredients, threw it together, and it came out absolutely incredible. Chicken biscuit skillet. Simply gotta make this up, so let me show you how to do it.
Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do here is start off with 1.5 cups of chicken broth. And to this we're going to throw in 1/4 cup of 2% milk, followed by 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then simply grab up your mixing device, mix this up, and then set it aside.
Now, if this isn't quite thick enough for the consistency you want, guys, you can always add a little bit more flour in here, but, to me this is looking pretty good.
Next up, I'm going to add a good knob of unsalted butter to a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and kind of swirl this around and let it melt down. Then in with a small chopped onion. I'm just using white, but of course you can use the onion of your choice. Then, yes, you got it, my friends, as always, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Just guts to have the garlic. There is something about garlic, I just don't know what it is. Then just stir and saute everything until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air and everybody says, oh, there's something cooking here. Alrighty then, go ahead and pour in that broth we made up. And I guess, guys, if you don't want to use broth, you could use a can of cream and mushroom soup or something like that. That would make it really nice and thick. Then we're just going to bring this to a good simmer boil over medium-high heat. Grab up the old spoon and stir things around until that begins to thicken up.
And with this mixture, guys, you want to keep stirring it, otherwise it's going to curdle on you, and you don't want that.
Now's the time you want to grab up a couple of cups of chicken and throw it into the mix. I'll explain more about the chicken in a minute. In with 2 cups of mixed frozen veggies. Now go ahead and use the veggies of your choice. I mean, fresh works even better too. Season things up with about a teaspoon of the old saltation. Another couple of teaspoons of ground black pepper. You know I use lots of pepper, so you can cut back if you like. And about a teaspoon of oregano or oregano. Now you could always throw some Italian seasoning or different seasoning in there too. Of course, mix everything together until that delicious goodness is all combined up. And as always, guys, if you can think of anything else you want to add, let me know in the comment section below. Always appreciate that, because your ideas are just as good as mine, if not better.
Now, guys, in terms of the chicken, you can just use leftover chicken that you got. That's the beauty of this dish. I actually just boiled some up and then shredded it. But, anything you got kicking around doesn't have to be chicken. It can be turkey or anything, too. The mixed veggies, I used a combination of corn, carrots, and stuff like that. But, you can be creative and put in what you like. And same thing goes with the seasoning. But I think we got the biscuits on here. This is going to be really good.
Next up, we're going to crack open a tube of Pillsbury Country Biscuits. I just love the way this pops open. Then just kind of evenly put the biscuits around that chicken mixture we have.
Now, guys, I'm leaving these biscuits, I'm leaving them whole type of thing, but you can go ahead and cut them in half, whatever design you like. But I think these are going to be just perfect, just like this.
Alrighty then, guys. I don't know about you, but they look pretty good. Right about like this to me, anyway. Okay, we're going to throw these into a 400-degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 10 minutes or so until those biscuits bake up. After about 10 or 12 minutes, just look at these guys. Nice and brown and wonderful, and it smells so good. Of course, garnish things up with a bit of parsley on top just to make it all green and pretty like. And there it be, guys, our Easy Country Chicken Biscuit Skillet. Oh, so good. Just check this out. But don't be clicking and stuffing going away yet, because we got other things to do like tasting. But first, let's go ahead and plate this up. Oh, it just about looks like a burger or slider. Oh, these look so good, guys. And the smell is absolutely incredible. But this really is comfort food at its best. Just look at this, my friends. Life and food does not get any better. Oh, wow.
And somebody else wants some chicken biscuit skillet. Coco, chicken biscuit skillet. All right, guys, let's dig in here and see what we get. Get some biscuit on there. I guess you could also lift these biscuits up and eat them, but let's check this out. This is going to be so good. I just love the texture of those biscuits. All right, let's do the old taste test here. I always say this, for a few ingredients it is so good, but it's got that real comfort food feeling to it. And it is really so good. I just love the biscuits. They're store-bought, but I just love them. So quick, so easy, well worth putting together, and you are going to love it. And if you do make it, leave us a comment and give us a like, because it does help the channel out. Most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time. And of course, I'm going to have more chicken skillet biscuits. Okay.